How to check in Jazeera Airways explained. So you can do this in your preferred browser and then just go ahead and search for Jazeera Airways, of course. The first one should appear as the official website for Jazeera Airways. So just go ahead and press on that. It will lead you to this over here. So you should be able to find the check-in option directly in the main dashboard. So navigate yourself there to the check-in. So what you're gonna have to put is your PNR. So make sure you have that ready. You have to enter your booking PNR and then your email or your last name. Then you're gonna have to press the check-in button. So this is usually 24 hours before the departure. So a few hours flight time, which can vary by route. That's when it closes. So you can do this online and you're gonna expect to just go ahead and put in your reference, which we just did, your last name, and then you can just go ahead and select your seat. So it's either free or paid depending on the fare. Confirm your details and then you could either just download or print your boarding pass. But that's pretty much how you check in Jazeera Airways online. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.